Hello there and welcome to today's video from my germ-free home. Today, we will be looking at some of the creative uses of baking soda for household cleaning. Sit back and ensure you follow through to the end of the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you are always informed when we drop a new video. Now let's get into the video proper. 8 creative uses of baking soda for cleaning. The bicarbonate of soda you use for baking could also work for a host of household cleaning tasks. Traditional soaps, detergents, and surface cleaners all have one thing in common: they have too many chemicals in them. Many of these chemicals in cleaning supplies are unsafe to work with. They could cause health issues for humans with prolonged exposure and also pollute aquatic life when they find their way into water bodies. Luckily, baking soda offers a safer alternative to soaps and detergents for many household chores. And if you are not sure of safe ways to use baking soda for cleaning at home, here are 8 effective ways to use sodium bicarbonate for household chores. Number 1. Baking soda works well to kill microorganisms. Baking soda for one has been proven to work on fungi that cause mold and mildew on household surfaces. It also inactivates viruses like those that cause influenza by creating an alkaline environment that breaks down the lipid envelope that surrounds the virus, making it inactive. The bottom line is that you can do away with many surface bacteria and fungi around the house by adding baking soda to the cleaning. Number 2. Clean and unclog drains. Whether it's in the kitchen or bathroom, you want the drains to be free-flowing. This makes it easy for water to flow down the drain after using the kitchen sink or taking a shower. When the drains get clogged at home, you could have a hard time using the sink or taking a bath. Luckily, you don't have to spend much on some fancy product to unclog your drains. Not when you have baking soda in your pantry. Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain and follow with half a cup of white vinegar. You should notice a fizzling effect, which is normal when both ingredients combine. Cover the drain so that the reaction reaches deep down the pipes. After a few hours, pour some hot water down the drain to clear it and finish with a quick clean of the area. 3. Baking soda works to tackle nasty odor. Another reason why you want to introduce baking soda to your household cleaning routine is the fact that it works excellently to combat nasty odors. When you are dealing with an irritant smell in the bathroom or drains that stink like crap, you can find baking soda to be the hero of the day. While you can find numerous diffusers and air fresheners that do well to mask the unpleasant smell, natural options like baking soda and even coffee grounds have proved to be effective. Baking soda neutralizes odor by acting on the acidic and alkaline environment created by the smelling substance, leaving behind a neutral pH environment that is odor-free. You can use baking soda to tackle unpleasant indoor smells by sprinkling the powder around the smelly area and wiping it with a cloth or running water in the case of the toilet and drains. Number 4. Tackle laundry stains with baking soda. You don't have to make a habit of throwing away your badly stained clothes. For when you have juice stains or wine spills on your clothing, you can get them out with some bicarbonate of soda. This could be as easy as making a baking soda and white vinegar paste and allowing it to soak into the stain for a few hours before blotting the area with a paper towel. This will help get out most of the stain so it can be easy to wash the cloth in a washing machine cycle or by hand. 5. Clean stainless steel surfaces. For when you want to remove tough stains on stainless steel shower heads and taps, you want to make use of some baking soda and warm water. It reacts easily with soap scum, helping to remove tough gunk from taps and shower fixtures in the bathroom. You can also use baking soda to clean the kitchen sink, staircase railings, bar stools, and furniture with stainless steel fittings. It could also help with wiping grease stains off the refrigerator, washing machine, microwave, oven cooker, and even doing some very dirty dishes at home. The bottom line is that bicarbonate of soda is safe to use in cleaning stainless steel surfaces and appliances in the house. Just make sure to use some warm water or distilled white vinegar if you need to make a baking soda paste. 6. Clean and deodorize carpets. If you use carpets in the house, you want them to be clean and dry always. And while you can expect the occasional carpet stains from tracking dirt and mud from outdoors and even food spills when you eat indoors, you can wipe them off with baking soda. Whether you need to remove ink stains or oil spills on the carpet, you can make a quick baking soda and vinegar mix to get it out. You can get out even old carpet stains by applying baking soda to the stained area and spraying some vinegar so it soaks into the carpet to lift out the stains. Finish with a paper towel and microfiber cleaning cloth to blot out the stain. Just make sure to act quickly with carpet stains. 7. Clean and deodorize mattresses. Baking soda could also be used for cleaning mattresses at home. Sleeping on the mattress for months no doubt will leave behind sweat stains, which also promote odor in the bedroom. There is also how eating in bed could lead to stains on the sheets and linens, which could soak into the mattress. Instead of changing the mattress every 6 months, you want to schedule a deep clean. Start by exposing the mattress and sprinkling baking soda around the stained area. Ensure you get enough of the bicarbonate of soda on the mattress and allow it to sit for a few hours or overnight. Afterward, use a vacuum cleaner to remove all the baking soda from the mattress. You should be left with a clean, dry, and odorless mattress. Number 8. Make homemade cleaners with baking soda. With many homeowners taking up DIY responsibilities at home, you could choose to try out some homemade cleaning recipes. You can expect that baking soda will be one of the active ingredients in many DIY homemade cleaning supplies. You can include baking soda for when you want to make a homemade oven cleaner or add it to a DIY stone floor cleaner. While you will need to combine other liquid green cleaners like lemon juice, white vinegar, and hydrogen peroxide to get the best out of baking soda, there are many ways to add it to a homemade cleaning solution. Just make sure to get the recipes right so you get the ideal results with the homemade cleaner. There you have it, 8 creative ways to make use of baking soda for household cleaning. Do make sure to subscribe to our channel so you learn about more ways to keep your home clean and organized.